Now I got these seats new secondhand from a 2014 BMW X5. I only paid $111 for both seats and center console. That's why I'm going through all the trouble to put them in. Can't beat dirt cheap.